Hi, this fall again, 6.7 Firebird. Left you off with no spark. Well, Ken is the ringer.
A bottle of gas.
Bottle of gas. Safety first.
Yeah, safety first.
He put a coil on it, and we swapped out the points. So, additionally, new old parts. This is what happens when rats get all your plug wires. Rodent damage. It's real. All right, see if it'll make some noise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One more time.
Yeah. Fuel's going for it.
Oh, is it pumping out that nasty shit?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hook it back up.
I don't want to hook it back up. I don't want that kerosene in there. That's why I unhooked it.
Tainted fuel.
All right. I think that's it for the moment. We're going to throw some more stuff back together, and we'll show it to you after we fix some other stuff.